In Indore, Mahanariman Sindhya is set to become the new president of the Madhya Pradesh Cricket Association (MPCA) with no other nomination received. He is the only candidate for the top post. This election, slated for September 2nd, marks the third generation of the influential Sindhya family in cricket administration, continuing a legacy that has shaped the sports in the state. Mahanariman's appointment cements his family's role in Madhya Pradesh cricket for decades to come. Gwalior recently hosted the Regional Tourism Conclave where Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav announced investment proposal exceeding Rs 3,220 crore. Key highlights included plans to renovate the iconic Mansingh Fort with Rs 100 crore budget. The event also saw land allotment letters handed to investors aiming to enhance Gwalior tourism potential. The initiative aims to attract both domestic and international investments, making the region a global tourism hub. Madhya Pradesh Minister Vijay Shah addressed his critics at a health camp in Roshni village, Khandwa. With a poetic statement, he shared how his success was built through hard work and struggle. He emphasized that those criticizing him have never witnessed the challenges he has faced. Shah's message was clear: those who question his achievement don't understand the effort involved. His words aims to inspire others, reminding them that progress often involves overcoming difficult times and pushing through adversity. Damodar Singh Yadav, national president of Dalit Pichhda Samaj Sangathan DPSS, has demanded 52% reservation for OBCs in Madhya Pradesh. Yadav accused both BJP and Congress of using OBC reservation for political gain without taking substantial action for OBC empowerment. His call for an increase from the current 27% quota underscores a demand for greater opportunities for the OBC community in the state. A shocking incident unfolded in Bhopal's Mangalwara area where a police team led by TI Ajay Kumar Soni allegedly assaulted an elderly man and a young bystander. The officer slapped the elderly man and kicked the youth after a verbal altercation near a wine shop. Outraged locals have demanded justice as the incident is under investigation, with authorities vowing action against the responsible officer. Bhopal recently hosted a seminar celebrating National Sports Day and the 120th birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Sports leader, athletes and officials gathered to honor his contribution to Indian sports. Minister Vishwas Kailash Sarang stressed that discipline is key to success in sports and urged the promotion of a sports culture across Madhya Pradesh. The seminar aimed to inspire youth to pursue athletics more seriously. A 10-year-old boy was attacked by two street dogs in Bhopal's Bagh-Pugalia area, suffering severe injuries. The boy was bitten on his legs as he walked near his home. A nearby watchman heard his screams and rushed to rescue him. The child was quickly taken to the hospital for treatment. The incident has sparked concern about street dog control, with locals calling for immediate action to ensure children's safety. Tension escalated at the petrol pump in Bhind when two youths fired shots at Tej Narayan Lodhi, the petrol pump owner, after he denied them fuel for not wearing helmets. The youth used an illegal weapon and a licensed gun, critically injuring Lodhi. He was rushed to a hospital in Bhind before being transferred to Gwalior for further treatment. Authorities are investigating the case and searching for the attackers. Madhya Pradesh is grappling with severe flooding due to heavy rainfall in several districts including Indore and Baitul. Streets in Indore were submerged under 2 feet of water, disrupting traffic and damaging homes. In Baitul, a car was swept away by rising river water but was quickly rescued. Local authorities are scrambling to manage the situation as more rainfall is expected in the coming days.